Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I'd like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Let me set the candles, it will take just several seconds. Let me choose indicators. The first one will be zigzag together with ADX and counter channel. So that's enough. Let me set counter channel first. So 40, 20, and 2. Okay, save. Next. Okay, well, now it's fine. ADX. Well, so 10 styles. Green. Red. Fine. So now it's done. Okay, guys. So we are ready to start. So you can clearly see that we are moving in the downgoing trend. We have broken through the bottom line of the counter channel. After this, we started receiving the pullback reaction immediately. So that's why I have opened right now buy position, investing my $7. I did it because, as you can clearly see, we have broken through the bottom line of the counter channel, but this was just a false breakout. So it was just a false breakout, false breakthrough. And after this, price immediately went back to the channel. Moreover, we have shown the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle, and for us, this is additional confirmation that price is going to grow towards at least the middle line of the counter channel. So that's it. That's why we have opened buy position here, investing our $7 in this trade. So that's it. Now let's just wait and see what will we get from this trade, guys. Okay, so it's done. We have $13 on the account right now. This is good. And what can we find interesting here? According to the current movement, we have a very strong downgoing movement, yes. And we have already touched the bottom line of the counter channel. So I expect to receive a pullback reaction from the bottom line, which is acting like the support line zone also. So first of all, let's change our investment to $13 and open sell position. Why? We'll explain you, because having checked twice the information, the data from the zigzag indicator and ADX, you can clearly see that price is overbought right now, and we still are in the sell zone. So that's why this trade, I mean sell position here, is the most appropriate one, because it's too early to open buy position in this scenario, in this moment, because you can highly likely just receive one more huge red candle, which will ruin all your hopes for the growth, and you will just lose all your money. So that's why it's better just to follow the trend and open sell position in the continuation of the current drop. This is what we have already done right now. Okay, so yeah, I was absolutely right. We continued dropping significantly, and this trade is also profitable one. So that's why we have $25 on the account right now, and this is a very good result. I want you to share in the comments everything concerning your money spending, which you get each day in my private TG. So guys from the private TG, please write comments, describe your today's trading session that we had earlier. How was it? How much did you get? On what you're going to spend your money. I want everyone to see this. Okay guys, so here I have opened one more sell position. Quite the same scenario. What did we have? We had a growth. We almost touched the upper edge of the counter channel. After what we received the pullback reaction, we started dropping. We had consolidation over the middle line of the counter channel, but finally, we have broken through the middle line and we started dropping significantly towards the bottom line of the counter channel. So now I'm almost sure that we will hit the bottom line, and after this we have only two options. The first one is to receive the pullback reaction from the bottom line, or break through it and drop even more. So that's it. Now concerning zigzag and data from the ADX, we can be sure that we are in the sell zone. So that's why, of course, we have open sell position here without any doubt. That's it. And I was absolutely right. We got the cash from this trade. We have $48 on the account. This is a very nice result, but we need to do much and much more. So let's pay attention for the next currency pair that we're going to choose right now and which we're going to trade right now. Price has touched the upper edge of the counter channel. Afterwards, we started dropping significantly. We have already broken through the middle line of the counter channel, and now price is going to drop more towards the bottom line of it. Let's change our investment to $48 and open sell position in the continuation of the current downgoing movement. And I'm really sure that we will continue dropping significantly towards the bottom line of the current channel. Why? Because according to all data that we receive from the indicators, we're in the strong sell zone, and according to the technical analysis and movements on the price, impulse movements, we can be sure that this drop will be continued significantly and price will finally reach the bottom line of the current counter channel. Okay guys, so we have $92 on the account. This is a good result for us, but we need to make some more cash because I'm not satisfied with just $92 at all. By the way, my friends, while you're watching this video, don't forget to check the description to it, because here you will find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics and educational materials that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay guys, while I was talking, we are going to trade the Boeing stocks. Let's open buy position with investment of $92. Why have we done this? First of all, because price has already hit the upper edge of the counter channel, but after this we started receiving the pullback reaction. Price dropped towards the middle line of the counter channel, but here sellers don't have enough power to break through it, and we started receiving the pullback reaction once again, but in the contrary direction. So now I'm almost sure the price will continue growing and we will highly likely hit the upper edge of the counter channel and or go even higher if we break through it. Okay, so that's it. We have $177 on the account. Okay, so concerning this movement, let's change first of all our investment to $177 and open buy position. So absolutely the same kind of scenario like in the previous trade. We touched the upper edge of the counter channel, we started receiving pullback reaction, we dropped towards the middle line, sellers didn't have enough power to break through it, and we started receiving the pullback reaction once again, but in the contrary direction. And now price is going to continue growing, I think towards at least the upper edge of the counter channel once again, or even higher if we break through it, and then we will see the new local high. So that's it. Now let's just wait and see what will we get. I'm almost sure that this trade will be profitable without any problems and obstacles, so that's why let's just relax and see what will we get. Okay guys, okay, so price is growing, we're in the profits, just several seconds left and we will get the results. Okay, yes, it was quite risky, but anyway, we got our cash. We have $340 on the account, and we can move forward. That's nice. Okay, so I think now we will have the last trade for today. Chart, we can see that price is staying on the strong level of resistance. Buyers don't have enough power to break through it, so that's why we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction. Let's open sell position here, investing our $340. So at least we will drop towards 181.60. Yeah, so this is a small local support. So this will be our first take profit. This will be our first destination which price needs to reach. Okay, so for now, yeah, this is absolutely safe trade. Moreover, we have a very nice entry point, and we are using master balance strategy here. So that's why I'm 99.99% sure that everything will be okay with this trade. Almost 100% sure that everything will be fine. Okay, so it's almost done. Just several seconds left and we will see the results. Just several seconds left, guys. Several seconds and we will get what we want. Just a few seconds left, guys. Be patient, and yeah, so that's it. We have $652 on the account, and I did it, my friends. If you remember, we started with just around $7. We started with just $7, guys, and now we have $652. It's amazing results. So what can I say to you? If you want to have the results like me and turn your $7 into $652, all you need for that purpose is, yes, right now open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG and get what is yours. So don't waste your time, be with me and be millionaire. I wish you wonderful, amazing and splendid day, guys. See you all and bye bye.